Hey everybody, welcome back to The End Creates, your online hangout for Cricut crafts, celebration crafts, and whatever crafts I feel inspired to make. What are we creating today? A birthday shirt with layered HTV. So let's get into it. In my last video, one of my subscribers asked me the following question. Can you print several layers of vinyl and heat press them together on a cotton t-shirt? If so, do you put them together and heat press them at the same time or layer by layer? Thanks so much. So, I was thinking, since I'm already making a shirt for my son's 11th birthday, I figured I would film it for you guys so I could answer that question today. So let's go. First, click on the Design Space app and open a new project. Click on Images and type Controller in the search box. Cricut does have free options, but I chose the 99-cent image. When you find the controller you want, click Add to Canvas. Now I'm going to drag the controller until it's almost 11 inches wide. My son's shirt is red, so I'm going to change the colors on the controller to black, white, and red. Click on the text box. Since it's for his 11th birthday, I will type in level 11 in all caps. Change the font to Impact or whatever font you choose. Next, click on Offset and change the distance to 0.125 and click Apply. Now select both layers of level 11, right click and select the word group so that both layers can move together. Drag the words until they're almost 11 inches wide. Select the top layer and change the color to white. Then change the bottom layer to black. Click on Text again, and that's on the left side of the screen. Type in the word Unlocked. Click on Offset to create a second layer. The second layer should already have the same distance as the offset on level 11. Select both layers, right click, select Group, and drag Unlock until it's about 11 inches wide. This time, reverse the colors by changing the top layer to black and the offset to white. Select the entire project, choose Align, then select Center horizontally to make sure that everything is centered just right. Click on the Make It button. If you don't have a paid membership, then you will need to click Purchase and enter in your credit card information to pay for the controller. When all of that is completed and you're back on the Make It window, click on each page and select Mirror to reverse the images and words. Spread your white iron-on vinyl onto your Cricut mat with the shiny side down using your brayer tool. Ensure that the dial on your Cricut machine is set to iron on. Then press the Go button and let your Cricut machine do its thing. Press the Load Unload button to release your vinyl. Weed away the unnecessary parts by hand or with your weeding tool. Repeat the same steps with your black vinyl and your red vinyl. Now let's check out the Cricut heat guide. Set the heat transfer to everyday iron on. Change your base material to 100% cotton, then hit apply. Now, according to our guide, we need to set our heat press to 300 degrees and apply firm pressure for 15 seconds. Then we're going to remove our liner when it's cool to touch. So let's do it. Grab your red shirt. Mine is from the brand Gildan and the size is youth large. Let's find the center of the shirt by folding it in half long ways and using your heat press to mark the spots. Place your Cricut Easy Press mat inside your t-shirt. Now let's start putting our vinyl on our t-shirt. Let's start with the bottom layer, which is the black vinyl. Place it where you want it, but make sure that it is centered horizontally. Place the Easy Press on top of the vinyl and start the 15-second countdown. I will be using parchment paper throughout this project to make sure that the Easy Press doesn't touch any of the vinyl that's no longer covered in plastic. Now, the level 11 wasn't completely heated by the Easy Press, so I'm going to heat that section up now. Then remove the liner when it cools off. Heat the white bottom layer of the word unlocked. Now let's place the white vinyl layer on top of the controller and heat that up. Let's remove the liner from the video game controller. Now heat the top white layer of level 11. Now I recently made a reel for this project on my brand new Instagram page, so feel free to check it out after this video. I will link it below. Apply the red accents to the game controller. If this video was helpful to you, smash that like button and subscribe. Now let's heat the top layer of the word unlocked. Remove all of the liners when everything is cool. And there you have it, a fantastic birthday shirt with several layers of vinyl that your kid will absolutely love. And it doesn't look homemade at all. Until the next time, I hope that you continue to add a little more creativity to the world and keep coming back because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.